European badges are proud things. The three-pointed star, the roundel, the four rings, and they stay proud all the way to the service desk because nobody charges for diagnostic time like a European dealership. Here's the counterpunch. The iCarzone MA200 V6, $119 built for one mission, European cars, Mercedes, BMW, the entire Volkswagen Group, Porsche, Volvo, Jaguar, Land Rover, full system diagnostics, real bi-directional control, and the 6 service functions these cars charge you for most. No subscription ever. Let's plug it into some German engineering. In the box, the main unit with its OBD2 cable attached, a USB-C cable, a TF card reader, hold that thought, a drawstring pouch, and a multilingual manual. The design brief is pure garage. A 2.8-inch display with physical buttons that work under greasy gloves. No internal battery because the car powers it directly at 9 to 18 volts, so it starts every time this year and 10 years from now. 310 grams, drop tested, and rated from freezing to 50 degrees Celsius. It lives in the door pocket of your Benz and asks for nothing. One motion to connect, the cable clicks in, the unit lights up on vehicle power, and AutoVIN pulls the car's identity straight from the ECU, brand, model, year, in seconds. On European cars with their long option list, skipping the manual selection isn't a luxury. It's how you avoid picking the wrong variant. Here's what the V6 actually is. A specialist. It covers 6 major European groups, 22 makes in all, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, the full Volkswagen Group, which brings Audi, Porsche, and more under one roof, Volvo, Jaguar, Land Rover, from Stuttgart and Munich to Gothenburg and Coventry. It doesn't try to be everything to every car. It goes deep on the cars whose diagnostics cost the most. A specialist, not a generalist. And specialists charge less when they're tools instead of dealerships. Why does specialist depth matter? Try a bargain bin generic reader on a German car and watch it see the engine, and nothing else. The MA200 V6 goes through the whole building: engine, ABS, airbags, transmission, and the deeper modules European platforms are famous for. Red and clear codes, stream live data with graphing, pull freeze frames, check ECU information, plus all 10 OBD2 modes, including I/M readiness before an inspection. The difference between the light is on and here's which module, and here's what it saw. That's the whole game on these cars. Now the part that has no business costing $119, bi-directional control on a Mercedes. From these buttons you command the car, cycle the window regulator, activate the fuel pump and hear it prime, run the ABS pump motor during a bleed, open the throttle, command a component. If it responds, the component is good and the fault is upstream. On cars where a dealer diagnostic hour costs what this whole tool costs, proving the fault yourself before anyone touches the car isn't a hobby, it's self-defense. 6 service functions, and on European cars, these 6 are precisely where the invoices bite. Oil service reset, so the maintenance counter actually resets after you've done the work. Electronic parking brake release, mandatory on most German rear pad changes. Steering angle calibration, DPF regeneration for the European diesels. Battery management registration, because German cars genuinely refuse to charge a new AGM battery properly until it's registered, and dealers bill handsomely for those 30 seconds. And TPMS reset, 6 jobs owned outright, each one normally a line item on someone else's invoice. A bonus you weren't expecting on a European specialist. CAN FD support is built in, covering 2020 and newer GM and Chrysler models. So if there's one new American truck parked next to the German fleet, this covers that conversation too. The interface runs in English, German, Italian, Spanish, and French, the languages of the cars it serves. Updates told straight. No Wi-Fi on this unit. New coverage arrives through the TF card reader in the box. Plug into a PC, download, write the car, done in minutes, and those updates cost nothing. Forever. No annual fee, no activation charge. Year 1, 0. Year 10, 0. Pay once, upgrade forever. On a $119 tool, that sentence does a lot of work. One honest question decides between this and its sibling. What's parked in your driveway? The MA200 Plus is the same hardware, same functions, but covers 58 brands worldwide for $60 more. So, an all-European driveway, Mercedes, BMW, Audi, Volvo, Land Rover, take the V6 and keep the 60. A mixed fleet with Japanese, Korean, or American metal in it, spend the 60, take the Plus. Same tool, 2 missions. Links to both below. The MA200 V6 with a 1-year hardware warranty. lifetime technical support, lifetime free updates, and shipping to more than 60 countries. Roughly a third of one European dealer diagnostic visit for the tool that ends most of them. A proud badge shouldn't mean expensive ignorance. That's the iCarzone MA200 V6, the European car specialist, at a price the dealership charges for an hour. Link and full specs below. If it just earned a place in your door pocket, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you under the next hood. Your car, your zone.